Eagles, Cassie here. Let's dive into the writing challenge. This is a solo challenge, so that means individual, where you will write about a given topic based on our resources. Before you start writing, you will have the chance to brainstorm writing skills and ideas in your groups. We have to get that collaboration in there. The amount you will write varies based on your Teeneagle level. So that is Teeneagle 1, you will write between 120 and 150 words. Teeneagle 2, you will write from 150 to 200 words. And Teeneagle 3, you will write between 200 and 250 words. You have 15 minutes to prepare and 45 minutes to write your task. This section is scored based on the following: your presentation, your organization, your research, your lexical resources, grammar, and level of analysis. For those who want to know what lexical means, that refers to your vocabulary. For more details, check out our website. See you all at Global Finals.